In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Beehiiv support the fastest way possible using the tools that are already built into your account. If you've been looking for a way to get help with a billing issue, a setup question, a newsletter problem, or just need answers from the Beehiiv team, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're signed in, you'll be inside your dashboard, where you manage your publications, settings, and subscriber tools. From there, look up at the top navigation bar and find the Help option. This is usually the main place to start when you need assistance inside Beehiiv. Click Help, and you'll see support options open up for you. One of the main tools available is the Buzz Chatbot, which is Beehiiv's AI support assistant. Buzz is designed to help answer common questions quickly, so instead of waiting around or searching endlessly, you can type your issue directly into the chat and get guided support. This is especially useful if you need help with basic account questions, feature explanations, or common troubleshooting steps. Buzz is also available through Beehiiv's knowledge base, so if you prefer reading help articles, you can use that path as well. The knowledge base can be a great place to look when you want more detail or want to learn how a feature works before reaching out for anything more specific. For many users, especially on lower tier plans, Buzz is the primary support channel, so it's important to know where it is and how to use it effectively. If your question is simple, Buzz may be able to solve it right away. If your issue needs more context, be clear and specific when you describe the problem so you can get the most useful answer possible. A good tip is to include what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and any error message you saw. That makes it much easier to get help quickly. So to recap, the support process is simple. Log in to Beehiiv, click Help in the top navigation, and use Buzz or the knowledge base to get assistance. That's the quickest way to contact Beehiiv support and start getting answers without wasting time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.